Let's make waffles with your favorite pancake mix. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share my family's favorite recipes, and waffles and pancakes are always a winner. If those are your jam too, hit that red subscribe button. I share a few recipes every single week. So I'm using a complete pancake mix to make waffle batter. Waffle batter and pancake batter are slightly different because pancakes you can just use water and that's it. Everything else is in the mix. Waffles require some oil and an egg because they need a lot more moisture so they don't dry up in between the grates. Let me show you how it's done. I'm gonna fill my measuring cup directly from the bag. As you can see, I'm not dipping the cup in my bag. That packs it too much and it makes it for a really thick batter. So this is the best way to measure it. That's 2 cups of pancake mix. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water. And then I'm also going to add an egg. And I'm gonna add some oil. You could do oil or butter that you melt. First, I'm gonna whisk my egg and break it up really well. And then I'm gonna start mixing from the outside of the bowl in. What's great about waffle batter is that the oil is already in the batter, so I don't have to grease or spray my waffle maker. Now, your waffle maker might be a little different. You know yours best, so go with that. If you find tips like that helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them on my videos for you. So this is what waffle batter looks like. It's nice and thick, but a little runnier than pancake batter. Now you always want to start out with a hot waffle maker, whether you have one of these 4 waffle makers or a round Belgian or even those small individual mini waffle makers. You want to plug it in and let it heat up. So when you pour the batter in the waffle maker, it starts cooking right away. As you can see, I'm not overfilling the spaces for each waffle maker. Why? Because the batter is going to expand as it cooks. If your waffle maker doesn't have a timer built in, you want to make sure to wait 2 minutes at least before you lift your lid to check if the waffles are golden and done enough for you. At that point, you can kind of take a peek, and if the waffle feels a little wet, you can close it and give it another minute. Right, so this first batch is ready. So I use a fork to lift my waffles from the edges right onto my board. All right, guys, check them out. Great looking waffles right here. Guys, that's how you turn pancake mix into epic waffles. If you love this kind of recipes, check out this next video and see you next time.